Growing your Amazon storefront doesn't have to take hours of research or endless trial and error. The shortcut? It's called Viral Vue. Instead of scrolling aimlessly through products, Viral View highlights those with the highest earning potential using its viral score system. That way, you can focus on content that actually moves the needle. You'll also know exactly where your videos rank, top carousel or bottom, so you can double down on what works. Want to outsmart the competition? Use the storefront scanner to see which products and videos are driving results for other influencers. And with automated brand outreach, you'll secure more deals and get free products with almost no effort. Why struggle when you can shortcut your success? Sign up through the link in my description and start growing with Viral View today.